Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all are doing well. As we are discussing chapter number 15, light. So, in previous class, we have discussed reflection of light and laws of reflection. Now, we will see multiple reflection. Multiple reflection means when a beam of light reflected so many times, or the phenomena of a ray light getting reflected more than once is called the multiple reflection. As many times it gets reflected, that many number of images are formed. As you see that when you go for the haircut in a saloon, so how are you show the look of your hair from the back in, in the front mirror? Yes, you are shown the image of your back from a mirror kept at your back in the front mirror. So by the reflection given by the backside mirror, we are able to see the haircut. So there is an activity for that in which we are placing two mirrors of same size at 45-degree angle, and we take a dice in between. So we see that two images are formed in the two mirror, and when we goes on increasing the angle between it, the angle in which they are placing, if we increase it in next time 60-degree, then we see that some more images will be appears in 90-degree. It increases. So we observe in this activity, as we increase the angle between the two mirrors, the number of images formed is decreasing. Now we try to find out the result of an object placed in between two mirrors kept parallel to each other at a distance. Suppose there is an activity 3, the two mirrors are kept parallel to each other and object is placing in between. So what will happen? We observe that multiple images will be formed and we can't count them, because this is only because of the multiple reflection. The reflection, first mirror is showing the reflection of other, then again the rays of light get reflected by the another mirror, and this way the process goes on continuously and we are observe multiple images of a same object. Now, application of multiple reflection. First of all, kaleidoscope. Many of you must have played with kaleidoscope, right? Whether you brought it from a balloon seller or from a toy shop. So have you seen the kaleidoscope? You must be remembering the beautiful and colorful pattern it shows. The kaleidoscope is basically a type of toy which shows different color or different pattern. And kaleidoscope is a best example of multiple reflection from a plane mirror.